Hey guys, this is Ronald from Skills University, and we bought this privacy screen. It's 6 feet by 50 feet long to go down this fence. I'm going to put one on the other side as well. It's supposed to have a 99% coverage. The plastic's supposed to be very durable for different weather. And I'm going to show you how this goes up. Pretty straightforward, and what it looks like. When you open this up, you'll know it's new once you cut this, because you're going to hear a shh, like the air being released. This is how it looks when you unfold it. I'm just going to unfold this. These are the ties that come with it. As you can see, I laid this all the way down. To differentiate between the privacy side and the non-privacy side, you can see there's a tag, but you can also see the little lip here. And if you flip it over and look at the privacy side, you'll see the stitching is nice and smooth. So here we are. We got most of this done. As you can see, we have to cut those ties off. And because the fence is a little bit over 5 feet, or about 5 feet, in some cases a little bit higher, we just wrapped it on top there and created our own hose. So it's all the way down, and that's 50 feet. I thought my backyard was 50 by 50, but I guess it's bigger than I thought. So we have to order another one of these. We're putting a new fence in back there, but we have to put one on that side as well. So I'm going to order that today and get that put up. But these are really nice. I give this a 5 out of 5. Very easy to put up. Just lay it out, make sure you have your privacy side the way you want it, and then just basically I put one at that end, stretched it out, put one at that end, one in the middle, and then just start going in and putting them in wherever I saw fit. I didn't really pay attention to the holes, except on the corners. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any comments, suggestions, or ideas, please leave them below. And we're going to finish this up. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day. Peace.